Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Best Houston Apartments. Hey, we're here at the Revl Heights. This is in Houston, Texas. This is in the Heights area. Specifically, it's in the Greater Heights area. And what we're going to do is, it's been probably 2 or more years since we've been here. And this is a building that's actually quite gorgeous. It really is a high rise. It's kind of a mini high rise, about 10 stories. And we're going to go in and we're going to take a new tour in here. We're going to get some new content on our better camera. We're going to do what I would say would be the best tour ever. So it's the best tour ever of the Revl Heights. We're going to see their amenities, at least 1 or 2 apartments, and just give you a taste of what life would be like here at the Revl Heights. This is, like I said, a very, very good location as far as the Heights. What I really like about it is you've got the highway right here that separates the Greater Heights and the Lower Heights. It's just right over there. Literally, I could walk to it. So you're barely in the Greater Heights, and then you can take advantage of all the stuff that's here in the Heights. But then you also have the Lower Heights, which is over there. And at the Lower Heights, you are there where you can go grab some of the nightlife that's on Washington Avenue, just 5 to 7 minutes away, not very far. So and then you're in this Woodland Heights area, which is a really fantastic neighborhood. That's a very mature, cool, good neighborhood. Very walkable. It's a very fun location. So anyway, I really, really recommend this area in general. We're going to do about 10 to 12 videos. They're going to be really short, so just watch all the videos, let it run actually on the playlist. If you have any questions about anything you're seeing, send me a text. Just use the number below. And now let's go to the next video.